Example 2. Aaron and Sasha went to a candy shop. Sasha bought 50% more candies than Aaron. After Aaron bought 8 more candies, Sasha had 20% more. How many candies did Aaron and Sasha have at first? Model the situation using a visual model. And then how many candies did Aaron have at first? Explain. All right, so this one we're going to do a before and after as well. So before. So we're going to start with our big box here. And I'm going to divide it between the two girls. So Aaron and Sasha. Okay, so up here it says they went to the candy shop. Sasha bought 150% more candies than Aaron. So Sasha would have all of this and her total would be 150% because she has 50% more. And then, so that makes Aaron our whole. So Aaron has 100%. So I'm going to go ahead and break up my line a little bit. I know I have 100 and 150. So I'm going to go ahead and break it up by 50. So 50, 100, 150. All right, so let's look at what happens after. All right, so I'm going to copy this same graph down. So Aaron's on top, Sasha is on bottom. All right. So Sasha had all of this. And let's talk about what happened to Aaron's amount of candy. So it says Aaron bought 8 more candies. Now we don't know how much that is, but we know that it's 8 more. So I'm going to go ahead and put plus 8. I'm just going to break this up here. And now it says that Sasha only has 120% more. So here's our 100%. All right, so we need to kind of look at both of these lines. So if I were to break this line up and add in that extra line that I did here, notice that up here I would be counting by 25. So this would be 125%. So I'm going to go ahead and count my entire row by 25s just in case I need it. So let's do the same thing here. So remember, we want to keep our diagrams looking the same. So if I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and those 5 boxes need to represent 100%, that means I would count by 20s, which if we see here, we count by 20s the same as well, from 100 to 120. So this would be 80%, 60%, 40%, and 20%. Okay, so really we want to focus on these 8 candies that Aaron bought. This 8 candies is representing 20% on this line. So for this box, 20% is 8 candies. So whereas 20% represents 8 candies here, up here, one of these boxes, if we were to add plus 8, just like we did down here, in this picture, 25% represents 8 candies. So when we go to do our calculations, it doesn't matter which one we use, we just need to make sure we use the correct one. All right, so, or use the same one, I should say. How many candies did Aaron and Sasha have at first? So I'm going to look at my before line for this one. All right, so before. So Aaron has 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes to begin with. Remember, this plus 8 happened after. So Aaron has 4 boxes, or 4 25%, and we know that one of the 25% represents 8 candies. So 4 times 8 is 32. So she had 32 candies to start with. All right, Sasha had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. And each one of those boxes represented 8 candies. So that gives her a total of 48 candies to start with. So to begin, Sasha had how many more candies? Well, to find that, we need to subtract these two. If she started with 48 and Erin had 32, if we do 48 minus 32, we get 16. So to begin with, Sasha had 16 more candies to begin with.